Hey, Cleo. Can you meow for us? Oh, that was a yes. Meow. Come on, Cleo. Meow. Little purrs are hers. Cleo. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. See, she goes right for my hand. She's a good girl. Cleo. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty. She's a good kitty cat. Yes, you are. Oh, look at the camera, Cleo. Cleo, come here, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. That's a good girl. Meow. And we'll just follow her around. Meow. She's a good girl. She's a silly girl, too. She has so many funny positions. Especially when she stretches out like this. And she's purring and cleaning herself at the same time. I guess that's my grandmother. Cleo. Cleo, are you that dirty? I mean, really, cat. Cleo. Come here, kitty, kitty. Oh, wait a minute. She's going to headbutt the hand. I think. Or she's going to brush up against the thing there. Hey, Cleo. Hey, kitty, kitty. Cleo. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Follow the hand. That's a good girl. Cleo. Meow. Come on, just a little meow for me. Meow. No, no meow. Not interested. Not interested. Just interested in the petting. Cleo, look at the other hand. Ugh. Cleo. We're laying about. Hey. Psst, psst. Look at the camera. You're a pretty kitty. Whatever. Oh, see, I put my hand down and she goes right for it. Oh, yes. Hello. Hello. What are we doing here? Oh, more pets. It's TLC time right now, and she's purring like a storm. She's saying hi to the camera, too. Good kitty. Meow. Yeah, you're... Why are you near my feet?